How to fix sound or audio issue in Madden NFL 26. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, click on System. After you've clicked on System, on the left side, click on Sound. Then, simply select your output device, which is your speaker. Then click on Device Properties at the bottom of it. After you've clicked on it, click on Additional Device Properties at the top right. In Additional Device Properties, click on Spatial Sound at the top. In here, make sure it's turned off, or if it's too sonic for headphones, make sure it's off. If it's off, make sure it's Windows Sonic for headphones. Then click on Levels at the top and then make sure it's 100. After you've done that, press on Apply. Then you can open Madden NFL 26 and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix sound or audio issues in Madden NFL 26. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.